Hey guys, good morning from Lake Mead here in southern Nevada. My son and I were out here this morning just fishing and kayaking, enjoying this beautiful morning. Check this out. Man, we just love it out here. Just come out here as often as we can. So anyways, I have 3 videos of Lake Mead on YouTube, and I get a lot of comments on those videos because we've come out here and we have found a lot of boats like this one. Check this out. I mean, there's no telling how many boats are out here or how many are gonna be uncovered in the future, but it's gonna be a lot. Oh wow, look at that, huh? And we also come out here and we like to just walk the beach and find neat stuff. So here's some of the stuff that we have found. You know, fishing poles, motors, you name it, it's laying out here. So that brings me to this video right here. I have had a lot of my viewers say, hey man, why don't you take one of these boats home and rebuild it, or pull an engine out and take it home, or can I come out there and get that boat? The answer is no. Okay? Lake Mead is a national recreation area, and it's under the control of the National Park Service, which is federal. So all of this is federal land, and according to the National Park Service, you can't take anything. You can't come out here and take a boat home. You can't find an anchor on the ground and take it home. So we don't take anything home. Except my son did find a cell phone in a plastic bag here a few weeks ago. This one right here. And we took it home. I put it in a bag of rice for a week. I charged it up, and it actually came on. But unfortunately it's locked, and we're trying to get it unlocked, so hopefully we can get it back to the original owner. So again, you can't come out here and take anything. Another thing you cannot do, you cannot bring a metal detector out here because they will confiscate it, and you could get fined for that. You can't come out here and look for dead bodies because that is illegal, okay? So don't come out here looking for dead bodies. And don't bring your spray paint out here and start spraying graffiti all over the place, okay? Because that will get you in trouble. You will get a fine, and hopefully if you're caught, you get arrested. So don't do it. Okay guys, so that's the whole point of this video. If you come out here, don't take anything home because it can get you in trouble, okay? So just come out here, go fishing, go swimming, go boating, sailing, whatever. Bring your jet skis out here, but man, don't come out here looking for no dead bodies, okay? Okay, so that's why I'm doing this video, guys. So just to keep everybody out of trouble. I think right now we're going to get back on our kayaks, do some more fishing, do some more exploring, and I'll show you some of the stuff that we have found over the last couple of days out here. So just sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this section coming up right now, and once it's over, we'll see you guys next time. I got one. And I got the camera rolling too. See what do we got here. I got a little small. Oh yeah, look at that.
Little bass?
Yeah, little smallmouth. Ah, damn it.
Lost him?
Oh, look at that. Oh, I lost him. Son of a gun. Look at that.
We got a mess.
Now that's a nice find there.
What's up, guys?
What the hell? Look at that. Ow! Ow! Hey son, come here. I want you to check this out. Right over here. I'll keep the camera going if you want to see what that is. Ooh.
Oh, I don't know.
Is this something you want to poke it with? It's not a diaper, is it?
That's what I don't know if it's something nasty.
Hey, just see if you can flip it over.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like a little dog.
Oh yeah, a little stuffed animal.
Oh, wow. Well, that was kind of scary for a minute, huh?
At least it wasn't a diaper.
Yeah.